Today, we gather not just to open a space, but to honor a legacy of vision, courage, and an unwavering belief in what is possible for our children. It is my absolute honor to recognize and dedicate this space to a leader who transformed this school and lives within it, Dr. Cassandra G. Lassiter.
Today, I had the honor of having an outdoor classroom named after me because I am also the former principal here at Seat Pleasant Elementary School, the best elementary school in Prince George's County. And to have this opportunity for students is just surreal.
Become an ever learner. Learn the entire life, as you take a journey. Ever learner. This particular garden, this piece right here, is just a step in moving forward to some of the things that are going to actually take place.
We are celebrating Earth Day, so our students get an opportunity to plant, to grow, and to plant a legacy of seeds of things that they can use in their community at schools.
Today is more than just a celebration. It's a reminder that each and every one of us has a role to play in protecting our environment, whether it's picking up litter, planting trees, recycling, or simply being more mindful of how we treat the world around us.
On this Earth Day, we're reminded that our shared responsibilities to care for the environment and to prepare for the next generation to lead that work. Partnership like this demonstrates how we can model responsibility in action. To our students, this space was created for you. Use it, explore it, and ask questions. Always ask questions.
We have thrived and really forced ourselves to make sure that we provide opportunities for kids that they wouldn't otherwise have. They are scholars, creators, critical thinkers, and problem solvers, and having an opportunity to get their hands in the dirt and learn how to grow things, grow their own food, plant things, and have things to live because they had their part in it is just amazing. So it's an amazing day. We're excited about it, and I'm just honored to have this outdoor classroom named after me.